Get ready for a summer full of learning, creativity, and discovery at La Joya ISD's Summer STEAM program. Designed for pre-K through 8th grade students, this engaging summer experience blends enrichment and academics to keep young minds active and growing. Students will participate in daily STEAM learning experiences that spark curiosity and creativity. The program strengthens literacy skills, builds math proficiency, and delivers high-quality, standards-aligned instruction grounded in a strong curriculum. From science and technology to engineering, arts, and math, students will explore new ideas, strengthen critical thinking skills, and deepen their understanding in a structured and supportive learning environment. Each week features a new theme, including fine arts and engineering concepts, providing students with meaningful opportunities for growth, creativity, and academic enrichment. With 20 additional days of learning, students can prevent summer learning loss and enter the 2026 to 2027 school year confident and prepared for success. Breakfast, lunch, and transportation will be provided. From June 1st to June 26th, Monday through Friday, elementary students attend from 8 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Middle school students attend from 9 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Register today and give your child a summer focused on learning and academic growth. For more information, visit lajoyaisd.com or contact your child's school. Enroll today and choose La Joya ISD.